Wakanda forever! Hey, I'm Harley J, and this is my spoiler-free review of Black Panther Wakanda Forever. And I just want to first say it's an amazing film, and we gotta pay respects to Chadwick Boseman. R.I.P. He was a legend, and I'm honestly just happy that even though he passed, we still got this amazing film. And to be honest, I think I'm just gonna get into this right away. The best performance was probably of Angela Bassett, and I would have thought it would have been of Letitia Wright because of all the stuff that her character had to go through. But the reason I'm going with Angela Bassett is because her performance just hit us hard, and it was just a beautiful performance, and all the stuff that she had to do with her character, and it was a beautiful performance. And for Letitia Wright, she did a good job, but her character was so split up. It was like jump. There were like so many different moments in the film that I feel like she had to go from like sad to happy to fighting to doing all these crazy things that she just really had. She had a lot of good stuff, and she was amazing in it. But the stuff she had to act in, like the scenes and her lines and all the stuff, it kind of felt like it wasn't the best. And I feel like if she had better dialogue, if she had better lines, if everything was better for her character, they did a better job writing her character in, she would have been able to deliver such a better performance. But it was just mixed. But it was good. Again, Angela Bassett was amazing. M'Baku was hilarious. M'Baku and Okoye. So Winston Duke and Denai Guerrera, is that how you pronounce it? They were amazing, and they did such an amazing job. Their characters were the most hilarious. I loved the whole M'Baku thing in the first film, when M'Baku was like, he's a vegetarian, which was actually very funny, and I loved that part. But yeah, and it was honestly a beautiful film, and all the filmmakers did an amazing job with the film, and I'm just so happy that really this was an actual film that actually got made. I'm so happy for it. And because they made this film, they just did such a good job. And they were just so beautiful. And it was so incredible. And I honestly have to say it was just an incredible film. And I love Namor. Namor was amazing. Atuma, Namora, and it was just beautiful performances. Though I will say, how they handled the Chadwick Boseman situation, it felt like a little bit too much, like they were drawing too much against what actually happened, and I feel like that's kind of stuff that should have stayed private, because they did reveal some stuff in the film that was not related to Chadwick Boseman's death, but kind of like when, how do I say, because I don't want to spoil anything if you haven't seen the film, but they did a good job with it, honestly, and I'm just so happy that they actually made this beautiful film, and I'm just happy. So yeah, and it made me cry many times. The film made me cry many times, and again, the direction was amazing, and the action amazing. Chef's kiss. I loved the fights, and I love the Dominique Thorne. She was good. I honestly was, when I first saw the first trailer, I was like, Ironheart's gonna be in this? Ironheart is gonna be in this. But it actually makes sense now. She did a really good job. And it was a really good way to introduce the character, and I'm so happy that they actually did that, and everything that they put the character through, it was incredible, and I'm so excited to see what happens in Ironheart. And they just did a good job with that. But honestly, yeah, like, she just she was a good character, and Dominic Thorne did an amazing job playing her. And I'm just happy they included her in the film. But yeah, but I think I loved the whole story of Wakanda versus Talokan, and using and interweaving different cultures. And also Lupita Nyong'o as Nakia was amazing. And there were a lot of fun things in the film. And yeah. So if you haven't seen the film already, make sure to go get tickets and go see the film, because it's a beautiful film and I recommend it to anyone. And yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. So make sure you're subscribed, because if you're not, that would kind of be sad. So please subscribe. It would help me out a lot. Hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah. So peace.